President Buhari don't reply to critics where they go round. According to matter wey reach me, they say many people don't they talk about. In fact, now all of us self dey inside this matter. For all of us where they criticize and they talk say they travel go abroad for medical treatment instead of maybe they their country do the checkup. And now he don't come out and according to Ryan say the unfriendly attitude where health workers for this country they give their patients. Now wetin they make all of them, in fact especially politicians, now wetin they make all of them run comot for the country. He even add on top say in administration now they currently they embark on a infrastructural development for all tertiary hospitals, meaning say now they find solution, you understand, to make the healthy kidney very qualified, and now they want start they deliver to the people good services. I say make I bring am come on side. You know, sometimes e dey funny me the way some people wey get bad attitude go come outside dey point fingers at other people. E dey very very funny because this one now I no expect am. Uncle Buhari, Uncle Bubu, abeg my question now be say how much una dey pay dis health officials abi health workers wey una dey talk about? How much be their salary? Now my first question be that. You dey come outside say na their unfriendly attitude. This no, una sure say no be after effect of the vaccine wey they give these people wey make them they come outside they tell us all these kind of things. No, make una check well. Check well, because I no even dey hear English now. I just dey hear other things wey this man dey talk. Because point of correction. Point of what? Correction. Una dey go outside for medical attention, not because of unfriendly service or unfriendly waiting. They speak grammar. The reason why una dey go outside na because of the poor medical facilities wey dey this country. Leave a health workers attitude alone. Health workers this, health worker no. The same abroad wey una dey run to for medical treatment, they tell you say their health workers they know they get attitude. No, make una tell me, e get one place for this world where person all of them they perfect. Just they give us excuse. You they do this one, you they do this one. No, make I even use una self now. Politicians, how many of una get good attitude? How many of una get good attitude where we feel stand today say okay this one. So this thing one I go they come outside they talk sometimes they funny me. Pay people well and see whether their attitude no go change. This attitude where they complain, try pay them well. How much? Peanuts. They go collect peanuts. On top of that one, they go they risk their life. As if say no do, you still they come. May they smile give you. Not be only smile. You even look yourself say now only the attitude be the problem. Me. I cannot even talk that one. Una go run abroad for medical checkup and expect us. No, we what are you supposed to do? Now we good now we good to endure what they call an unfriendly attitude. Una no good. Una go they go abroad. Now we go endure the unfriendly attitude according to you. Hey, this life. No be even say money where they use travel abroad, you work for her. Our own money. On top of that one, you see they can't tell. I beg, see, now I beg I dey beg. Now I beg I dey beg. No talk this thing again, no. No try and say they come and I don't understand since 1960. Una don't they steal our money, money where you not supposed use to develop hospitals, schools and other things. Una they chop am. Now they come outside, they tell after you scatter this country finish, they speak gibberish. No even try am. Just any small thing. No, now like this, you know people where don't fail already. A leader. In case you don't know, as a leader, you're not even supposed to look for who to put blame on. You assume responsibilities. When things are not working right, assume responsibility as the leader. And when things are working well, you call everybody out. That is how it's supposed to be. No, they come outside, they look for where you go throw your dustbin inside. No try am. Which can't be this one? Head worker, unfriendly attitude. No, if you want make them friendly, I don't talk. Give them better salary and you go see. In fact, nobody go even tell you. From gate safe, they don't start dey pour roses the way they do for African Magic. I been waiting on royalty. They go treat you. They compare these people with abroad people. First of all, outside they pay them. If I know a mistake, per hour. Even if not be per hour, sef, go check their salary. You go even happy. In fact, even if closing time don't reach, now you go dey tell your boss, can I stay extra 1 hour? Yeah. Everybody even want you, even to wake up from your bed, sef, nothing dey motivate you, but you no get choice. You still wake up, they go. No try am. I know the inside that one wey you talk. My people, I say I go bring this thing out, clarify am, because now may no be like say he talk this thing, everybody can't shut up. Because it's not unfriendly attitude. Poor medical facilities, sir. That's what you were meant to say. I'm sure you made a mistake. May we just accept your mistake. Now why I bring her outside, correct you. Very, very important. My people, beg, what you not think concerning this thing? Una they agree with president saying that the unfriendly attitude. I be any of una do experience am. Make una drop am for that comment section. But for me, now the facilities where we no get, now make these people they run outside. So any other one where you get, drop and then I will reply now one by one. Make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know waiting they happen and waiting our dear president don't talk. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you're gonna miss matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story. Sakawa boys matter don't reach us again. Oh my, don't say where I hear this matter. Sakawa, finally you don't come again, my people. I say make I bring a come on side. This one, na ring matter. They say, I will make us sit down way first. It happened for Kaswa, straight Accra, Ghana. So now the matter can be say this guy they do Sakawa. He dey wear the ring. Ungwanu. Now the ring, when they give her the money according to matter we reach me, they say na through the ring, the funds they come, you understand? So he can't get one friend, the friend don't they ask and say, bros, how far? Show me the way. Wait till they bring all this money. Una know na guys, how na they relate. Say, bro, show me the way. That one, be like say, you know, greet tell am. Now so one day, he go in house, he see ring. Bam, he carry the ring. Wear am, he carry and go. As he go, no, this one too can't forget. In fact, because the rule, but I say the rule where the Baba give this guy, be say, make this ring don't touch soapy water. Una know those conditions where they give them, don't bath, don't do this and here. Now one of them be that. And the guy will carry the ring, no even know anything concerning that ring. Just carry a boom, because he be like say, he don't they suspect, say, be like say now this ring they give this guy money. Now so in wear am, my people are saying wear am, go use soapy water inside. Hey, wahala come wear ring. The ring come dey tight. It dey tight. It dey try remove and no fit remove. It dey try remove and no fit remove. Ngwanu, can't see problem. Now so they call the owner of the ring, go say, Ngwanu, now we carry this ring from your side. So wait till you guys talk. He can say, bros, you carry this ring. They say yes. Now their problem starts, my people. And relax, so this boy now in hand on, in fact, you don't they bleed, they don't remove part of the ring, but the rest no gree come out. And according to the Baba, we give that guy the ring. The Baba tell us say they must bring blood of a baby in order to perform sacrifice so that ring will come out. And if they give them 1 week, if that ring, if they not bring the baby sacrifice, the blood, say now the boy when wear the ring now, when no they come out, now him they go use as the sacrifice. So I say, no, my people must not miss this one. So I beg we don't catch another one. Join me, make we watch the video.
What video? Sano. Said it. So, if we are sending said yes, see a year corner no. Someone said we are echo. Ubika wada hono akofa kawano. Ashe. Kawan ye half at watching. As a store. Kawano half na can mianinsa. Ihyamwa say Empire Bo said yo na boy ni intimate no ho. Cause Kawano Ono na esie se ono na eda ho e na okofa ayo. Ono na esie se eda ho e na okofa akawa no. E hyeye. Se ono akasa na kofa aye. Se ono na akodi na edro na de ni ano obi ani mu hwe.
Hey! Labalamo. Eh? Now, wow. Boys are money. Chineke me. I no just know where will they go again. Money go keep people for this life where we come. Money. That paper where we they see. People they die for the sake of that thing. You dey baby, you dey give your mama wahala. You can't grow now for this your age, you still dey give people wahala. In the first place, wetin go carry you? You go carry person ring where? Enike see your big eyes, your own are just to dey carry. See, I don't tell you something. In this life, dey very careful. Dey very careful. See wahala where this boy don't go put himself inside. No, it's not see am. Now they don't they break. So now even see as they bleed. The other part no gree comot. Now you go look for baby blood. Meaning say now, as I they talk to now they find pikin where they go key. Wait till you think say they want to use the pikin do. The pikin go die. Now the only option now, according to Baba, or no be me talker. Now the only option now. Una go just the disgrace human being. So people where they do legit work now, they be stupid. They no just get sense. They no get brain. I don't tell una no they rush. No they rush. Una see this one, you don't jam rock. You don't jam. And the thing where they pay me, one thing where I don't even notice, even as they watch, they see things where they happen to other people, instead of maybe they learn from that one. Mbanu, be like say they enter here, they come up for this side, they go still enter again, go do another. In fact, they go even go do the worst one. Where una they rush go? No, where una they rush go? Where and why? This life, everybody get in turn. I dey talk this thing every day. No envy anybody. If you be my friend, as you say you don't dey cash out. I ask you, no, definitely that one dey happen normal level. Babe, show me the way now. What's up? You understand? But the moment you no fit explain, and even when you explain, I notice say na one barbaric thing. My sister, we move. You understand? I no go come. This life I can't keep myself now. No, why? Why I go kill myself? Hey, see, my people, I don't bring una this matter because it be like say some boys, their brain don't conk. You know, nothing fit enter inside the game. And I then show say my brother, by the time, that is if you even recover this one. By the time you recover am, next time, even person biro, pen, if you see am, you go jump and pass. Nobody go tell you. Continue. Some people life just dey like that. Anything where they see they won't wear, anything where they see they won't carry. Must you take everything? No, must you take everything? You have even noticed it too, because you notice am. According to matter, they say he even notice that the ring they give him friend money. What is good for the wetin they call that thing? What is good for the goods is not good for the ganja. Be how una dey talk am. Now wetin just happen? You carry another person market now. Now they go come use you for sacrifice. The matter for they different. If as the ring no dey comot, the person wey go meet Baba na he go die. But now you wey go poke nose, now you go come die. And I just dey hope say this thing go teach many people lesson. First of all, learn to mind your business. Second of all, don't take what does not belong to you without permission. It's very, very important. And if you see, you're not supposed to sense trouble. Learn how to sense trouble. If you ask person, oh, what's up? You're supposed to know, use your head. Person don't want to tell you something, no go tell you, go they beat around the bush. This one too, mumu, it still go. Now people now say I go bring and call on aside so that our boys go learn, because I know say many of them still dey outside there. In fact, even as they talk now, some of them still they plan now, say how their next move, their next Baba. I beg, give up on that thought that is entering your head. If not, you no go like the ending. Now why I bring am? I no say person dey hear me now. Person need this advice where they give now. Why I bring am, you understand? I beg, give up on that thought. Go look for normal work. E no go kill you. Very, very important. My people, I beg, wetin una gats talk concerning this one o. Because highest me na only to talk and pray. I fit pray for them. I no fit kill myself. You understand? So I beg, drop the comment for that comment section. I go reply on one by one. And make sure say you share this video. Make we help our fellow brothers who still dey outside there. They think of this matter. You understand? And if you never subscribe, very, very important. Because just click on that thing so that you no go dey miss anything wey we get for you. Stay tuned for our next story.